Well, good morning, y'all. Anthony here. And I'm back at it again at the Kia dealership once again. Had to get an oil change and probably replacing 2 tires and maybe a brake light. Fun time, but we got a couple hours, so me and Mom just went over to the house. Almost had breakfast. Shared with the cashier my business card to get some attention to my business because that made my business expense a tax write-off, or my meal a tax write-off. Like I said, there's no excuse for you not to be building a home-based business. Whether it's a network marketing business, a direct selling business, doesn't matter. It can be a skills or trade. Like them, we can fix that. I don't know what they do. A car cleaning business, it doesn't matter, y'all. You need a home-based business. It gives you tax write-offs. Because anything that is a business expense saves you money on your taxes. That's like, the more money you make, the more taxes you're going to pay. The wealthy pay less in taxes because, for one, they don't earn a lot of money through a salary or income. Some do, but a lot don't. They earn it through capital gains or appreciation of their assets. Or, if they do earn a large salary, they got enough tax write-offs from having their home-based business or their businesses, they depreciate enough. So that way, like I said, if you're in a construction business, a lot of construction workers, they fear buying new equipment or repairing the equipment or all that because it costs money and they are afraid they won't make enough money to pay for it. But guess what? Stop looking at it that way. Look at it like, oh man, I gotta spend $5,000 to make this repair. Okay, it's a business expense. That is now a $5,000 tax deduction during tax time. So a lot of small businesses or construction businesses, they write out their mileage for getting to and from the job, their gas, all that good stuff. But they don't think about all the extra write-offs they get from buying materials, supplies, repairs for their business. So a lot of people are afraid to take out a loan to repair their home or their shop or whatever. If it's used for a business, if you run a home-based business, you got to repair your home. You're repairing your office. That's the tax write-off. If you're repairing your shop where you do the work from, that's the tax write-off. So y'all, don't just simply go out there and try to earn a crap load of money so you can pay a crap load of taxes. Be smart, start a home-based business so you can have a crap load of tax write-offs so you can limit your tax burden. I know you're wrong. If I owe taxes, I pay my taxes. But I've set up my life in a fashion where my whole life's a tax write-off. I do that by making deliveries. That's what writes off my maintenance and my car repairs. When I gotta get new tires, or I gotta get service done on my car, I use my car for business. So that's the tax write-off. Because I need my car in order to make money. I build my home-based networking business because every time I go out and I network with somebody, or I go out and have a meal and we talk about business, it's now a business expense. Because I think it's here 2 or 3 minutes you gotta talk about your business in order to be considered a business expense or a business meal. If I don't go out with a client, a prospect, or a business partner and have a meal, I'm gonna talk with the waitress, the hostess, whoever, and share with them a way where they can get more out of life by simply enjoying life and sharing something they're personally benefiting from. Now that meal just became a networking event because I was networking for growing my business. It's the lovely part. And like I said, I'm not a tax expert, so don't take my words for gold. Do your own research, but from what I've done, the research I've done and the studying I've done, is a business expense. Because that's why I set up my life the way it is. That's why I love traveling. That's why I love going out to eat. That's why I love actually spending money. Because all that becomes an expense on my taxes, so at the end of the year, I don't owe Sam a crap load of money. Most people don't think about that because they just get their taxes taken out of their paychecks, and they wonder why, when if they actually pay attention, like almost half their paycheck goes to taxes. He said in 2021, I think the average W-2 employee pays $16,000 and some dollars in taxes. That $16,000 is way better in my business than it did in the IRS's pocket. Because have you noticed inflation in our country's deficit? Obviously, they're not using the funds appropriately. That's like I love what Warren Buffett said the other day. He could get rid of the debt deficit in our country in 5 minutes. If it went over a certain percentage of GDP, none of the politicians or senators in the House could get reelected. If they made that a rule, they would fix the issue. But they don't, because they're benefiting from it. Just like everyone demonized Trump for all the incentives and tax benefits he gave businesses. Alright, if you start a home-based business, or you start a business in general, you're employing the employees to pay the majority of the taxes. That's why there's so many incentives for being a business owner, and you get so many tax write-offs. Because you're making the country more money in taxes, because you're employing the people that are working. So yeah, if you'd like to learn how you can own your life by starting a home-based business, and you like a simple 3-step system for doing it, let me know. Let me help you get more out of life and turn your life into a tax write-off. Well, you know what to do with that social media stuff. Like, subscribe, comment, share, all that good stuff. Rereading the vertical diet. Got my mixer cup I left back over Mom's house yesterday. So, I'll walk around a little bit more, be a little more active. Then go look at some trucks. Going to inquire about this Dodge, see what they're working with. But, like I said, if you want some more information, let me know. Y'all have a great day. I'm going to go get some coffee from the machine inside. Be great.